This video is basically to discuss the location and what you can use yin tang for. So yin tang is an extra acupuncture point that is used to, the main purpose that people use it for these days is actually to relax and calm the mind. The Western name for it is the Hall of Impressions. And what it does is it helps calm the spirit. So if you're having any trouble sleeping, or you're feeling anxious, or like just insomnia in general, the practitioner might needle that point there, and it can feel like a nice warmth or dullness that goes over the eyes. It's actually quite relaxing. You can use it for yourself at home. You know, you can just kind of massage that spot nice and gently, not trying to rev yourself up, but just nice and gently, just help everything kind of calm down and relax. It is also a great point to help open up the sinuses, clear the eyes. Like if you have dry or itchy eyes, it can be used for that, as well as a point for kind of headaches and things. It's another great point that can also be used to help with lower back pain. So yin tang connects to the governor vessel, which is the meridian that runs down all the way along the back. Maybe follow through there, comes down the spine, and then goes through like that, so all the way down. So it is kind of like a mirroring point for the lower back. So you can also use it for the neck. So if you do have a sore back or sore neck or a sore spine in general, you're feeling quite anxious and having trouble sleeping, this can be a perfect point for you to use. The other great points that you can use to help kind of calm the mind is this other point called shen. So shen is just right in that spot, right in the ear there, if you can see it. So shen has a similar function, like you're using it to help the mind relax and the spirit calm down. So people use it for stress or for anxiety. A lot of the times in an acupuncture treatment, a practitioner will add an earseed into that spot. So an earseed, which I should have, here we go. An earseed, this is a modern version of it, is just basically a sticker with a little metal ball in it. Now what that does is you place that on the ear and it'll massage that point, like, you know, for 3 to 5 days, as long as this kind of lasts. Sometimes they'll actually use a needle in that spot as well. Either way, it can be quite effective. So between those 2 points, you're looking to have the mind relax, the spirit calm down, and you can use it to help the spine. Shen actually has a nice connection to the heart and like the knees and things, so you can actually use it to help with some knee and joint inflammation as well. Yeah, so if you do want to get an earseed, they're really easy to use yourself. Basically, you just peel the sticker off like this, like that. Obviously, I went the wrong way. Boom, and you find that little spot in there. There it is, and then straight on. Then you massage that yourself for 3 to 5 days. For 30 to 90 seconds, a couple of times a day. Leave it on for 3 to 5 days, or until, you know, if it gets itchy or sticky or anything like that, obviously take it off. There's some more classic points that are used in the ear, and we've gone and made a little kind of miniature version of them there that can be used quite easily. If you guys have any questions, please comment below.